You already know the value of Maximizer CRM and how critical it can be to the success of your business. You probably also understand the importance of professionally constructed surveys when making decisions about new products, pricing, marketing campaigns, or measuring customer satisfaction, or understanding the motivations of your customers and ex-customers. Now just imagine the power of combining your CRM with a fully integrated survey platform. Maximizer has joined forces with probably the most innovative and intuitive survey platform on the market. The full integration of survey mechanics and Maximizer creates a solution with endless potential. Not only is this great for customer insight and understanding, but it can also solve some of your biggest data management problems at the same time. With Maximizer powering your surveys, you'll be able to understand, almost immediately, what's making your customers happy or not, and what you need to do more of, and maybe what you should do less. Customer satisfaction levels can be fed into your Maximizer records automatically, with any other preferences or feedback you choose. It could be where they choose to buy, their purchasing criteria, for example, price, or speedy delivery or support, where they get their marketing information, and so on. In addition to the power this kind of marketing automation can give you, any kind of data flow, whether into or out of your organization, can now be automatically input into Maximizer. Here are just some ideas. Automate admissions or application forms for education establishments, membership organizations, and financial services. Imagine all your customer information being collated at the touch of a button. Business development. Automatically creating new contact records for email marketing responses, instantly creating a new leads list or further qualifying prospects. Training course feedback and automated certification. Measure and collate delegates and students' feedback. You could even issue certificates automatically. Data cleansing. A quick details checking survey can quickly allow the automatic checking of key CRM data and replace out-of-date user-defined fields with accurate information. Auto-update mobile workforce job and visit data straight into Maximizer. Automate KPIs and NPS for performance marketing or internal monitoring. Automate new account forms and never have to chase them. Automate service records of any kind. Survey mechanics and its integration with Maximizer is packed with features you won't find anywhere else. It's professional research and innovative data management right there in your Maximizer CRM. Let's talk. Email inquiries at surveymechanics.com or phone +44 15 80 200 093.